Impilo inzima bafethu, you know. It's never so easy bafethu, you know. But I'ma grind through the pain, yeah. Grind through the pain, yeah. I'ma grind through the pain, yeah. Grind through the pain, yeah. Oh yeah.
I'ma work till I get what they said I wouldn't get. The niggas on my case acting like bitches on my dick. It's like they always on my steez. Well, fuck them off, I wouldn't entertain. I'm just a mayor, who the fuck are they? Money, keep that shit in your mind. I'm busy making ends meet, tryna make my mama proud, tryna redefined my life. I'm trying, la la la. Wanna have everything, I wanna own everything. Wish for when I was a kid, more food on the table. Fuck it, that's childish. I wanna own life, or maybe rule the world, playboy.
Impilo inzima bafethu, you know. It's never so easy bafethu, you know. But I'ma grind through the pain, yeah. Grind through the pain, yeah. I'ma grind through the pain, yeah. Grind through the pain, yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I'ma grind through the pain like a virgin on my dick. L says he wants the last verse. I'm like, you took the last verse last time. But it's cool, I'm still with the same niggas brazen just to put food on the table. This is not ours, I did it all without an album. Only mixtapes, downloaded beats. I guess I'm from Zimbabwe where some can't afford beef. I am Brian with my mates celebrating university status. I'm tryna make my own beats, a few original beats I've crushed. Them producers is my witnesses. I'm from Gwanda where it's dry, though I'm tripping cause I survived in the 6th world. Gold dealers reside in Dose. Of course I'm from the city of gold. Cash, the benefits of you. I'm stuck in the money track, dog. SBHVU. Out of 2, I got L dope with me. Then you know it's tricky.
But I'ma grind through the pain, yeah. I'ma grind through the pain, yeah.